Today, we're going to be making the latest viral crab Rangoon burrito. We're going to be making it the Be Sure way. So stay tuned and let's do this. In a large bowl, I'm going to be putting 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, minced white onions, about a teaspoon, some fresh imitation crab. If you have fresh, that's even better. About a teaspoon of green onions. I'm going to do a dash of sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil to me is a little strong, so just a little bit of dab will do you. I'm going to do about 2 or 3 daubs of Worcestershire sauce and some soy sauce. I'm going to put a couple of dabs of soy sauce, and I got the soy sauce that's low salt. A half teaspoon of Be Sure to Seasoning Blend. And you can go to Amazon or you can go to BeSureToCook.com to order your bottle. This stuff is fire. A little shake of garlic powder, a little bit of shake of onion powder also. I'm cracking in some black pepper. I'm going to take my mix and I'm just going to start mixing all these ingredients together and making sure I mix it well and getting all the cream cheese and stuff in there. And I want it to, oh, look at that. That's going to be so delicious. A little sugar. Make sure the sugar when you put it in there, to your tasting. If your tortilla shell here, we got out. And now we're going to take it and we're going to take our mixture and we're going to spread it all the way to the edges. And if you need more mixture, just grab more because you just want to make sure you actually take the mixture and you want to spread it all the way out. I'm going to seal this. Okay, for a healthy one, I'm using olive oil. So I'm going to spread a little olive oil in my pan. I'm going to get this pan nice and hot. And I'm going to put my burrito in here. I'm going to let it cook. Right? It is still very, very hot. I'm going to cut this in the middle. For the sauce, this is a wonderful chili sauce. You can go to any grocery store and look for a sweet chili sauce and you will find it. I hope you enjoyed this viral crab Rangoon burrito that is sweeping the waves of the internet everywhere. This is the latest new thing, and guess what? Be Sure made it her way. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please come back next time so we can make more videos, even the viral videos. Hey, see you next time. Bye.